Get it, get it, get it, babe. Look at that. Today I'm going to show you how to make Traeger leg of lamb boneless. It's a delicious Easter dish for any time of the year too. All right, so here is the lamb that we're using. It's a boneless leg of lamb and it's about 2.5 pounds, a little bit over. So really this is about half a leg of lamb because you can find leg of lamb that continue on here and are about 5 to 6 pounds. So this is about 2.5 leg of lamb we're smoking on the grill, boneless.
Up real quick.
Okay.
For some reason I feel opposite.
The netting holds the deboned leg of lamb together and helps it keep its form. Do not remove the netting until after the lamb has been roasted.
Until after it's been roasted? Okay. Okay, cool. Let's pat it dry and then we'll brush it.
I think it's not that crazy to leave it on.
Okay.
Always pat dry meat, especially before smoking leg of lamb on the Traeger. You want all the delicious seasonings to stick.
I'm gonna brush the bottom.
A little Dijon, light coating. Instead of doing it this way and putting on the mustard and then the salt and seasonings and everything, you could just make a paste out of the Dijon mustard and apply it to the smoker leg of lamb as a paste, which would make a lot more sense. I don't know why we did it this way. We were just kind of like going with the flow with the seasonings. It smells good. Nothing like Dijon to clear up the senses here. Oh, I know this is gonna taste so good. Look at that. I'm dripping with Dijon all over my entire body. All right, is that good?
That can be done. Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's good. I don't think we have to go too crazy.
I want to go crazy.
Okay.
All right, so for salt.
Oh, this. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
Why are we people who don't just put the seasonings in a bowl all the time? That's a very good question.
I don't know.
Okay, turn. There's so much salt.
Yeah, the salt should be.
Time. I got time to give you time. It smells so good.
Okay.
I love oregano, especially in chicken noodle soup. You want more? I can give you more.
Yeah. So just
Oh, it smells so good.
A little loud. Okay. Some rosemary.
Oh my God, stop it. That looks good. We gotta make sure we get the end. I don't want it to be left out, the flavor. The flavor profile. You think we're doing all this garlic? We could. No?
Well, most of it.
I like garlic.
Yeah, I love garlic. But
Even you have a limit?
Well, I just don't want the people to think we're crazy. With our obsession.
You want more? I can give you more.
Yeah.
Every last drop. Okay.
Okay. Can you hit this with some black pepper?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Holy shamola. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, I think we're good.
Wow. All right, and now that beautiful boneless leg of lamb is going right onto the smoker.
Got it?
Yep. Oh, looks so good. All right, hold on 1 second. Look at all of these delicious Traeger lamb recipes we were testing this day. Oh, it was lamb heaven. So here we're just sticking in the meter thermometer. Traeger Grill sent me the meter thermometer and it helps me track the temperature of the lamb from the outside. And past the line?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's get that leg of lamb. Get it, get it, get it, babe. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. Reminds me of like pork. Okay. Wow, oh my God. Oh, I just did an up close shot and holy moly, stop. That looks so good. Stop, stop, stop. You see all the garlic? Yum. Oh, that looks so good. Let it rest and cut. Huh? That you cut larger slices. All right, sir, let's cut this shit. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I love that knife. Have you been enjoying it?
Yeah.
It's so sharp.
Very sharp.
Bam! Oh my God, the garlic is hitting my glasses from over here. Literally. Why is the garlic?
Sorry.
It's all like roasted and dried herbs now.
Yeah.
It's all gonna get in my eyes.
Yeah, I'm questioning if this was the right method.
Only because it's not the method you wanted.
No, like maybe I should have just
unwrapped it.
Cut it and just unwrapped it as we...
And then maybe just tied a couple strings.
No,
or
I'm
you
just
would have
saying,
tied
like,
none.
Just cut it.
Because it's picking off so much of the seasoning?
Yeah, I want the seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your hand is like...
I'm sorry. Time to be delicate here.
It still looks incredible.
You got it?
Yep.
Here we go.
The leg is out. Woo! Yeah, like little thin slices would be nice. Whoa.
It's like butter.
It's so pink. We took this out at 125. We let it rest. It's so very medium rare. Would you say it's even rare still?
Yeah, it's like rare to mid-rare.
Yeah. It looks really good. It's really cooked in no time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Is that good?
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Whoa! Holy moly. This angle is killing it. Thanks, love. Well, there you have it. This was our smoked leg of lamb, boneless leg of lamb on the Traeger grill. Check out some of the other recipes coming soon on Sip Bite Go, including smoked French lamb rack and smoked lamb loin chop. All the lamb on the smoker and a bunch of other things too. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!